It's Kim here from Homestead and Gardens, and it's another windy day, so I hope you can hear me. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot, but I want to do my VEDA challenge. Today is Thursday, April the 14th. No. Hello everyone, it's Kim here from Homestead and Gardens, and today it is Thursday, April the 13th, and oh my gosh, 13th. Hello everyone, it's Kim here from Homestead and Gardens, and today it is Thursday, April the 13th, and I am here for another VEDA video. And today I'm just going to be doing a little bit of work in my garden. John has borrowed a neighbor's tractor, and he's going to be putting in some dirt down here for me. I don't know if you can tell or not. Let me see which way I have to step. There we go. But this garden goes to a slope. And so what we did was we put some boards down there to like square up the slope. And we're going to be putting dirt down there in that area to make it level. Okay? So he has gone to get the dirt, and he should be back in a few minutes. Alright. So while John has gone to get the dirt, I'm going to be taking out some iris bulbs. We have some irises planted right down in there. This is not exactly the best time to transplant irises. You're supposed to transplant irises in the fall. However, we don't really have a choice because we want to get the dirt in there while we have the tractor and get this level. So I'm going to go dig up these irises real quick. Okay, so I'm sorry about the wind again today. I hope you can hear me okay. I tried to dig a big enough circle around them as to not to disturb the bulbs and the roots just too much. Alright, I'll be back. know, he is a pro at handling tractors. If I had tried that, everything would have been bulldozed down. But look how he did that. Right between the gate and the air conditioner. And look, the dirt is exactly where we need for it to be. Look there. Look. Right on the money. Oh my gosh. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. This is perfect. I have a lot of work to do to get that hole shoveled in. John's not allowed to shovel right now. He's not allowed to lift anything that's over the weight of a gallon jug of milk. So I'll be the one shoveling in and raking that down. Okay friends, well I got the hole mostly shoveled in and raked. I try to rake it out smooth, and we may have to add more dirt later after it settles, but that's all I'm going to do for today. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up for all my hard work, and if you want to know more about our homestead and what we do on it, please subscribe. This is Kim at Hancock Homestead and Gardens saying bye for now.